Guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 466 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare. 25 power points.
Rare.
On to another rare. 50 coins.
Mythic.
Mythic. Okay, 500 credits, not too shabby. And, if I'm not mistaken, as predicted, with the event selection, it is just cycling in and out between the 3 different modes, so you'll have each in 2 at a time, swapping between each 2. So again, if you are waiting till the very last day to complete your additional star drop quests, like I probably will be, you're gonna wanna, you can only get 4 in a day, so you're gonna have to allow at least an extra day to get 2 of them. But again, not anything too crazy going on besides that. Again, just let me know what you guys are thinking of the mode so far. We also have Brawl Ball 5v5 in the rotation right now. If we hop on over to the shop, we still have White Wolf Leon. It's going for about a week. Again, it's a pretty good deal considering it is seasonal, so it's not even in the catalog to be purchased for gems later. And additionally, it looks like it would be a legendary skin based on the price. Again, you can always just try it out, and if I jump in the training grounds here, I have a pretty good feeling it's going to have the defeat animation. That's how you know for sure it's a legendary. So I'm not seeing anything, so I'm thinking it's probably still considered a mythic. Again, it's weird that I have to guess here, but it doesn't say, and obviously since it's not in the catalog, I can't actually tell you. But again, I do know for sure that this isn't a skin that you can get for free with either bling or out of a star drop. Again, if you're incredibly lucky, I do think you can get it out of one of the dead boxes towards the end of this community event. But again, you have to be incredibly lucky, so I wouldn't hold your breath for it, but it's certainly possible. Again, you're more likely to get one of these skins, Decaying Dynamite or Cuckoo Cola, out of your decaying, or dead boxes rather. Again, they are decaying, but they're just dead boxes. I have a daily freebie of 10 power points, as well as 15 coins. We have some resource offers still here, the XP doublers and bling. But I don't think too much else is going on here. Let's see how far we're getting on the community goals. We've reached the double XP during this dead game event is what they're calling it. So again, make sure to hop in to get double XP from your XP from battles XP, I guess you would call it. But not much else going on. So as of today, I have 137 XP doublers and 97,766 power points. So again, let me know if you guys are excited to hit any of the other milestones, but let's see how far I can take this, guys.